And now Abby Neiman, our marketing manager, will join us to showcase the versatility of this. It can be used as a love seat or a sofa. It includes dual safety belts on each side, integrated cup holders, and then it also completely reclines at the touch of a button. But most importantly, it then includes a powered headrest, which is independent of the powered reclining mechanism. So if you're fully reclined in a stressless, ergonomic, gravity-free situation, you could actually lift your head up at the touch of a button so that you can enjoy that home theater experience with that large, high-definition streaming television at eye level, along with the Bose wireless soundbar. It also includes a unique home button to completely bring you back to center. USB charge points then are included in those switches, and then a nice demonstration here of how easy it is to use these tablets, as we all use with an iPad or a laptop, but they very simply then hide and store away in the armrests.